Hi everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. Today we've got the April Zbox. These have been pretty good recently. Okay. First up we have an Alien Vinimates. That's pretty cool, Alien Warrior. Then we've got an Eagle Moss Star Wars ship. Something in a suede pouch. Really heavy keyring. Star Wars, that's really nice. And finally we've got a t-shirt. Nintendo Super Metroid. Okay, so that's an okay box, it's only $16.99. Yeah, that's it. Check us out next time at jalian.co.uk. Thanks for watching.